Hello everyone! I know it's been a while since my last upload, but I'm so happy to be back. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's jump into today's video. You'll find the app download link in the description below. Go ahead, download, and install it. After installation, the app will ask for the required permissions. Please grant them. You can see that it looks exactly like the iPhone keyboard. You can also choose between dark mode and light mode, whichever you prefer. It also supports multiple languages, so you can choose any language you like. See, the language has changed. You can personalize the keyboard exactly the way you want. You can pick your favorite font style with just a few taps. Listen to that, it sounds just like an iPhone. Now let's see what the emojis look like. Yay! It looks just like an iPhone and comes with the new emojis. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.